how to properly format a code in your MS Word document. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can properly format and edit a code in your MS Word document. So as here you can see, I have a sample Microsoft Word document right here, and in this document, let's say I have added this particular sample code in order to demonstrate. Now as you can see that this code might not be easily visible if proper formattings are not applied to it. So let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply select the complete code that you want to edit, and then you need to click onto this drop down arrow over the paragraph settings. So once we'll click onto this paragraph settings under the home tab, you can see this dialog box that appears right here. Now the next thing that you will need to do is simply enable this check mark that says don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. So once you will do this, you need to click onto this OK button, and you might notice that this code is now being a lot more compact than before, so that it will be very easier for the user to find the code in the same place instead of it being widespread. So then the next thing that we will do is to add a distinguish background. You can do so by clicking onto this shading icon present just here under the paragraph section, and then you can click onto this drop down arrow to choose any color for this particular paragraph. So for example, let's say this black sample text color, and here you can see that now it is looking a lot more good. Now in order to remove this extra part, you can easily use the backspace and then press the enter button, and similarly you can do for this as well by removing the space and then again pressing a backspace so that it moves to the previous line, and then again hitting the enter button so it looks like this. And that's how easily you can format and edit a code in your MS Word document. So that was all for this particular tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.